am the Academic Director of JWE Language Training Center. I am here to welcome all of you to our school. So I hope you guys will come and visit us here because there are a lot of reasons on why you should be here to study with us, okay? I can enumerate a lot of them, but right now I'm just gonna give you 3 reasons, all right? So one of that would be this school provides the most number of one-on-one classes. Actually, you can have as much as 8-hour classes every day. Yeah, plus actually you can also get 2 group classes in the evening. So that's a lot. It means a lot of chances for you to practice speaking English. A lot of chances for you to improve your English language skills. Okay, the second one would be you are choosing Subic. And what does it mean when I say you're choosing Subic? Subic is a very, very safe place in the Philippines. And apart from that, our school is located in an area where a lot of stuff are very close, such as resorts, hotels, theme parks, even the market and the hospital. They're very close, so you will not have any problem staying here with us. Very, very convenient. And one last thing, and I think you will like it, we can customize or prepare your program, your curriculum according to your need. So before you come here, you can let us know what do you want to study and how do you want to study so that we can prepare this for you. So when you come here, everything will be smooth, everything will be fine. So I am very, very excited to see you here in the Philippines in JWE Language Training Center. So see you guys! Bye-bye!